Hello guys, I'm come back with another topics and learn to you. If you want to learn, you can just stay with me. Today I just teach you how you can share location on your iPhone. So if you want to share location with messages, then I show you how you can location with message option. Also, you can share with the WhatsApp, Messenger, any other app. Today I'll show you on message option. So sometime we are going unknown location and your friend come to here, but how you can guide and instruct. But also you have no internet, so you have only phone money, so you can able to send message. So that's why you should choose the SMS option and share the location. All right. So if you want to change send the location, then you can open the SMS option. Then you can choose new. In here you can choose your friend number, anyone. Then you can just tap on the plus icon. Here I'm showing many option: camera, photo, sticker, audio, camera, sorry, location, and more options. So I need only location. Okay, so I just tap here. No need to more. I just tap here location. Here I'm showing my current location, and I can just change the location any s- separate places. I mean another places. Also, this is my location. If I want to change this one, so I want to send my current location. That's why I just tap send pin. Okay, I just tap here and location done. So this is my location. Now if I send like this icon, then my location sent to him. So if you can change anywhere, I mean you can send anywhere, any person as you want. All right. So it's the pretty easy, and let me know if you face any problem. Then I'll try to help you. So thanks. Bye bye.